Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you crops and agriculture. Class 5 Science. Topic is crops and agriculture. In this topic, we are discuss about the crops and different kinds of crops grown in different kinds of season, which summer season, winter season. After then, we are discuss about the steps of agriculture. What are the steps one by one is doing for a good harvesting. So, first we are discuss about the crops. We all know that we are directly depend on crops for our food, mainly. And there are different types of crops we are grown for our need, such as rice, wheat, barley, fruits, vegetables, etc. Now, crops can be classified into groups such as kharif crops, rabi crops. Crops divided into two groups, kharif crop and rabi crops. Kharif crops are grown in summer season. Grown in winter season. Due to seasons, they are grown. Those crops which are grown in summer season, they are called kharif crops. They need more amount of water for their growth and harvesting. And rabi crops grown in winter season, that means they need very less water for their harvesting. Examples are rice, wheat, Now we are discuss about the steps in agriculture. There are various steps farmers do from beginning to harvesting. First step is plowing. Plowing means the preparation of soil before sowing the seed. It is done by the plow. Second one is sowing. After plowing, farmers use this method. That means use the best good quality high yielding seeds, apply on the soil for good harvest. Number third point is adding fertilizer. After growth of plant, or maybe the soil need a rich nutrients for growth of baby plant, then farmer use fertilizer to provide the soil nutrients. Fertilizers are two types: manure and chemical fertilizer. Manure means cow dung, animals dung, whatever, dead and decaying plants or other things. Chemical fertilizer, there are lots of chemicals we can buy from market, are such as urea, DAP, etc. Fourth one is irrigation. When the baby plant grows, these plants need adequate amount of water for their proper growth, and it continues for the last process, that means ripe and harvested. The plant need water. After irrigation, we can say that use pesticides and insecticides. These are the chemicals which are used by the farmers for the proper growth of plant, a baby plant. When the baby plant grows, some of the insect will damage their stem leaves and they can't proper growth, or they may be damaged. From protecting from these insects, or farmers use these kinds of chemicals, pesticides and insecticides. After then the last step is harvesting. When the crop is ripe, then farmers cut their crops, harvest their crops, and store the grains or crops. If the crops are such as fruits and vegetable, then it need a strong transportation for quickly transport from one place to other or to the mandi. Now students, the chapter is finished. Now I am giving you assignment. You do at home in 5. Thank you.